Hello everyone and welcome to this video series where we talk about MetaMask Agent Wallet and what you can do with it. So first of all, what is an agent wallet? You're already familiar with the MetaMask wallet that lives in your browser. You can just utilize it whenever you want to. You can view your funds, you can view your crypto, you can send, buy, trade perps, every single thing. But when we talk about agent wallet, we say the same things what you can do with your MetaMask wallet are given to your agent. And that this might be your Cloud code, this might be your Cursor, Hermes agent, OpenClaw, whatever you want, right? And we are giving it in a safe and secure way so that every single thing is simulated in the backend, thread scanned in the backend, and there are smart transactions to make sure there's MEV protection logged for you, and every single thing what the normal MetaMask wallet is giving to you, to the user, is giving to the agent. So how it works? As simple as that, it's a CLI tool with skills, and any agent that can code can directly access it as well. You can read more about it in the documentation. But right now, let's go ahead and just utilize it, right? So I've just created a small agent test folder. It's totally empty. And here I'm going to just show you how easy it is to start with MetaMask Agent Wallet. So I'll just tell my Claude that install MetaMask Agent Wallet and skills. And Claude would automatically crawl through the internet and go through our documentation. Basically, most probably this page of quick start, understand what is need to be happen. You can read it yourself to understand exactly how we are moving forward over here. And it will read through the CLI setup. It will understand what are the different skills to install and quickly install it. While it does that, I'll show you the whole thing, but let's go ahead and see what exactly is the capability that we are unlocking with this for you right now, right? You can send anything to any particular wallet. You can swap, bridge, trade perps, trade prediction market, earn yields, and you can go for X402 payments. You can lend and borrow with Aave, check balances, prices, sign messages, basically almost every single thing what a normal MetaMask wallet is enabling you to do. And how this works in the backend is we have a server wallet, or we can have you create your own wallet and import into the MetaMask agent wallet, and that's how it will work, right? So right now, if we see, it's already installing MetaMask Agent Wallet CLI. It went through the CLI setup, right? And it is looking for all the other things that need to be installed, and it will automatically do it for you. You just need to write install it for me. That's all, nothing else, right? So while this thing is going on, I'll come back in the next video and show you how to log in and set up your MetaMask Agent Wallet. See you.